As India aims to modernize its air combat capabilities, the choice between two fifth-generation fighter jets, the US Lockheed Martin's F-35 versus Russia's Su-57, has become a strategic decision with global implications, with both aircraft making headlines at Aero India 2025. India's next move could reshape its military weapon inventory for decades. Why India needs a fifth-gen fighter? India's weapon inventory currently includes around 600 fighter jets, but none belong to the fifth-generation category. With increasing regional threats from China's rapidly growing stealth fleet and Pakistan's reported interest in acquiring similar technologies, India faces pressure to have a fifth-generation fighter while domestic efforts like the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft are underway. Operational readiness is not expected before 2036. This opens the door for immediate imports where the F-35 and Su-57 are top options. F-35 Lightning II. The US Lockheed Martin F-35 is widely regarded as the world's most advanced multi-role fighter. It is available in three variants: F-35A for the Air Force, F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities for the Marine Corps, F-35C designed for aircraft carrier for the Navy. Key features: top speed Mach 1.6, combat range 1500 km, payload 8160 kg, fuel capacity 18,498 lbs, operational altitude over 50,000 feet, sensors, electro-optical targeting system, distributed aperture systems. Helmet mounted display system provides real-time targeting data and situational awareness. With more than 1,000 operational units worldwide and development support from 9 partners nations, the F-35 is a battle-tested and interoperable platform in NATO operations. Sukhoi Su-57. The Su-57, developed by Russia's Sukhoi Design Bureau, is a twin-engine multi-role stealth fighter designed for both air superiority and ground strike roles. Russia has pitched its export version Su-57E as a cost-effective alternative for partners like India. Key features: top speed Mach 2, combat range 1900 km, payload 7400 kg, maximum operational altitude 54,100 feet, engine Saturn Air 41F1, stealth enhancement, C-rated exhaust nozzle and internal weapon base, AI integration, on-board electronic second pirate system, radar spread, distributed radar array across the airframe. Although only around 40 Su-57 have been produced as of 2025, Russia claims the aircraft matches or exceeds the F-35 in certain performance metrics, especially agility and range. US Lockheed Martin's F-35 versus Russia's Su-57. The Lockheed Martin F-35 and the Sukhoi Su-57 represent two of the most advanced fifth-generation fighter aircraft developed by the United States and Russia, respectively. Designed for air superiority, stealth, and multi-role capabilities, both jets showcase cutting-edge technologies in modern aerial warfare. This comparison offers a detailed analysis of their design philosophies, capabilities, and strategic roles in shaping the futures of air combat. Strategic consideration for India. India's defense ties with both Russia and the US make the decision complex. Russia has been a long-standing defense partner known for easier technology transfer and fewer restrictions. The US, while offering advanced systems, often includes stringent end-use monitoring clauses. Technology transfer. Russia is more open to sharing tech. The US is more restrictive. Sanctions risk. Buying from Russia risk CAATSA-related US sanctions. Buying from the US risk geopolitical dependencies. Parts and servicing. Russian jets can be supported locally with fewer dependency. Geopolitical alignment. A deal with the US could strengthen Indo-Pacific ties, especially in countering China. Global landscape. F-35 operated by over 14 nations including the US, UK, Italy, Australia and Japan. Su-57 operational only in Russia with no confirmed international buyers yet. China meanwhile is rapidly closing the gap with over 200 J-20 stealth fighter and growing fleet of J-35s, posing a real threat to India's air dominance.